हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं राहुल आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे। इन आवर लास्ट वीडियो वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ब्स, व्हाट इज वर्ब्स, ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स एंड intransitive verbs. Today in this session we are going to study about the finite and non-finite verbs. So let us discuss what exactly the finite and non-finite verbs. So here we go. First of all, we will understand what is finite verbs through the definition. A finite verb, sometimes called main verb. It is a verb that has a subject. That means that it can be a main verb in a sentence. So here is particular parameters on which the finite verbs are defined. It may be tense, number, or the form of words, past tense, present tense, or in a numbered form, or it may be singular or plural. Through the example we will clarify this. I live in a metro city. So here live describe what the subject does. Live is a finite verb. So on certain parameters the finite verbs are defined. Now non-finite verbs, it is totally opposite of finite verbs. So through the definition we will clarify. A non-finite verbs has no subject, tense or number. The only non-finite verbs form are the infinitive indicated by to, the gerund or the participle. Okay, through the example we will see. I travel to Mumbai to improve my language. To improve is the infinitive form. So this type of sentences describes the non-finite verbs. To improve. Now we will take some more examples on the finite and non-finite verbs. After he ate the food, Sushant laughed. Sushant ate the food and laughed. So here is subject is used, verb form is used and tense is used. So by the definition of finite verbs, what is the definition of finite verbs is based on the parameters like tense, present tense, past tense, future tense, or number. It is in first person, second person or third person, or in number we can say singular or plural. Based on this parameter the sentence is defined, through which we can understand that is it is in finite verb or non-finite verb. So here the subject is used, after that verb form it is used. So on the basis of this we can say that it is in finite verb state. Or Sushant ate the food and laughed. So here is subject is Sushant and ate is verb form and laughed represent the tense of the sentences. So these two sentences are in finite verbs. Now we will see non-finite verbs. After eating the food, Sushant laughed. So in this sentence there is no use of subject with verb form or in tense. So this kind of sentences represent the non-finite verbs in which the totally opposite of the finite verbs are used. Means it is not satisfying the parameter like it is in which tense or in which form or in which singular or plural, or it is in first person, second person, third person. So these kind of sentences are used in non-finite verbs. I hope you have understood each and every part of this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.